decided to talk a bit about two helmets that I have. I've just purchased this one. This is an SMK, and it's a full-faced helmet. And this one I've been using for around 6 months. This is a Vega off-road helmet. So let's have a look at both of these, and first let's start with the new one. So this is basically the unboxing of the SMK helmet, right? So the name of the helmet is the SMK Twister helmet. It's a full-faced helmet, as you'll see, and it comes with a number of features. So let's open it up. So you get this box, and apart from that you get a Motortech sticker. I got this, I don't know if it's available with all the boxes, and I also got a nice bag to carry the helmet. So let's open this up. Okay, this looks really nice. This is a good bag. This is very handy, and it's got the SMK logo in it. That's good. So now let's have a look at the helmet. Okay, so what do we have here? We have, this cost me around 4,300. I actually got a good discount from Riders Den. I got it from Riders Den. If you're in Kolkata and you want to buy motorcycle accessories, I would say that you check this store out. It's near Lake Town towards Jeshore Road, and they have a good variety of helmets and other motorcycle accessories. You might want a balaclava, you might want keychains, gloves, jackets, whatever you want. You can have a look at them. I'll share the link to their Facebook page, okay, in the description. So this is just a booklet. Pinlock. Okay, what does this? Okay, let me see. Oh. Okay, so this one, these are just fancy stuff. This is like a manual, a user manual, and this one is the United Kingdom Vehicle Approval Authority. So this is basically a British brand, but it's manufactured in Haryana. Okay, but it meets all the standards of the British brand SMK. So this is not an Indian product, by the way. This is a British product. Like LS2 is a Spanish product. This is a British one, and it's got unlike the other helmets, like if you look at the Vega, it's got an ISI mark. This one has a European Ece Certification. I don't know if you can see this. Now the problem is, I heard a few days back that there was an incident in Bangalore where people who were not wearing helmets with ISI certification were being detained and fined by the police. But I think that issue has been resolved, and I'm not sure. I'll try and find out, and I'll share the information with you later on, maybe in the comments. But I think that issue has been resolved, and I don't think if you're wearing such a nice helmet, which is really good, I don't think people are going to, the police are going to stop you and ask you why you're not wearing a ISI, and this is a European standard certification, so obviously better than ISI. At least that's what I think. Now let's look at the features of the helmet. So there is a front vent for the air. If it's too cold, you can have it closed, but then if you open it during the summer months, so the air can circulate, it can get in from here. There's another vent on the top, see. Okay, and the outlet I think is from here. So the air comes in and it exits the helmet from here, keeps you a bit cool. Apart from that, this is the visor. It's got a few gears so that you can have it open at different positions. Now this one comes with a Pinlock anti-fog coating. So this is an added advantage of this helmet. Like if you have it closed all the time, there's always a chance of fogging. This will not happen in this helmet. Okay, so this is an anti-fog lens. You'll see there are two pins, there are two screws, and there's a, this is the sticker, I'll just try and take it off. There you go. So the sticker is out, and as you can see there is a separate layer of glass over here which is screwed to this visor. So this one is the anti-fog glass. Now here is this is a dual visor helmet. So, and there is a switch over here. If you can use it, then you can operate the visor very easily. Now there is a sticker over here also. And there you see, and it's for daytime use only. It's written over here, daytime use only, because at night it's going to be too dark and it's not going to be safe, of course. Okay, so this one's got very nice padding. It's very nice and soft inside, and you can open everything up if you want to clean it. Okay, and this one also comes with Bluetooth facility, Bluetooth compatibility. So here is a small section at the side of the helmet. If you open this up, you can fix your Bluetooth device over here, and it goes in like this. That's it. Now I will probably in the future get a Bluetooth device, which I don't have at the moment, and I'll show you how to fix it. Right now I would say that this and this helmet, I think the pros of this helmet is it looks really classy, and the color of the helmet goes with my Duke 250, which is why I selected this in the first place. I got a very good discount from Rider's Den, as I said, and they matched basically they matched the price of Amazon and put a little bit of discount on that, so I was happy with that. And I wanted the dual visor helmet, which is available in this one. Okay, and also in future when I get the Bluetooth device, I'll be able to attach it there, and this one is also anti-fog. So when I went to Nainital with my friends Enjoy, I faced a bit of difficulty, both of us, with fogging. It was very cold in the morning, and we had to have the visors down all the time, but that resulted in a lot of fogging, which was not at all comfortable. So this one will probably take care of that, and will save us from any sort of accidents and mishaps in case the other way. So let's look at Vega. This is the one that I have been using so long, and this one has two visors as well, but it's not as easy to be operated. See this one. This visor does a very good job. The inner visor does a very good job, and also this shade on the top of the helmet saves your face from the sun also. The only problem with this one is if you're sitting at the back as a pillion, then you keep on bumping your head to the person in front, but then it's very easy to take off. You can just open the screw with your fingers, and these two, and you can take it off, and the helmet looks fine. I had this off in the Nainital tour, so I had no issues with that. And then it's got good padding also, And oh, something I forgot to tell you, the whole padding inside can be taken off. If you have been on a ride and the helmet looks very dirty, you can take off the whole padding. You can wash and you can attach them again. Same thing with the Vega. You can see it's buttoned, so you can just open the buttons and you can take the whole padding off, clean, wash it, and then fix it again. Now this one comes at around 1,800 to 2,000 rupees. This is matte blue. I got it for 1,800, from Amazon, I think, and it's pretty good. It's comfortable, but it's very basic. It doesn't have a fog resistant visor. It also does not have any Bluetooth capability, and it looks good as a motocross. But for a full-faced helmet, I really wanted this one, and the color goes with my bike. And the other stuff, as I said, the dual visor, the vents. This one also has vents, but they are not adjustable. See, there are vents over here. The exit is there and there, but these are not adjustable. These are adjustable. So the only problem that I have come to know about the SMK helmets is that after a while these gears become a bit loose, and the visor tends to slip from the various positions. So this is one con with this helmet. And the other thing that I'd say is it does not come with the ISI certification. So if the police are really if they really want to harass you, they can. Apart from that, I'd say this is 1,700 or 800 or maybe 2,000, depending on where you get it from. This is 4,300, 4,200, and it's very durable. Of course, it is much more solid than this one. This is also good, but it looks a bit, it does not look as strong as this one. But again, it's really good. It did a very good job. And the only thing I'd say is I had compared this with the LS2. The LS2 is a bit expensive, more expensive than this one, maybe 500, 600, the one that I was looking at. But it did not come with a dual visor. It did not come with a Bluetooth compatibility, which was not an issue actually. But it was more durable, and the visor is somewhat more stable. I felt that it was more strong, but this looked better, and it came with some features that I really wanted. And anyway, I bought it for touring purposes. For city, I'll be using this one, so I'm very happy with it. And I'd suggest that if you go for a helmet, just be clear about your objectives. If you want to use it in the city, or if you want to take it on every day, then it's better to go for something which is more it's going to be hardier, like an LS2. If you cannot afford an LS2, and if you want something cheaper, you can go for Vega, you can go for a Steelbird, you can even go for studs. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm happy with this one so far. I'm really happy. When I'm riding the bike, when I'm in front, then I have this on, and it does a good job. It's got dual visors also, which I needed. And I'm happy with this one also. It's comfortable. It's a medium size, and it fits. It feels a bit tight when I take it on, but then it fits my face. And this one also felt very tight when I bought it. This one is also a medium one. But then with time, I understood that yes. So now it's compact. It sits nicely on my head, but it's not tight as it was in the beginning. So I think that's pretty much it. If you have any questions on any of these two helmets, or if you want to ask me about any other helmet, any other questions on certifications, and any other query related to these helmets, SMK, Vega, Steelbird, Stud, SOL, KJ, anything, just let me know, and I'll try and answer your queries as soon as possible. Thank you, and have a really good day. And if you like this video, do like it, and subscribe to my channel to support it. Thank you very much. Enjoy and ride safe. Bye bye.